What's up, guys? Welcome to my another video. It's Dippin from Best Software Deals, the best place to get insane deals on business software. Number 1 digital marketplace for entrepreneurs. Today, we're checking out Muraena, an AI-powered lead generation platform that gives you access to 140 million plus high-quality B2B leads. Anyone can go round up a bunch of low-quality B2B leads, but if you're serious about sourcing primo leads and closing more deals, you're going to need Muraena. Everything about this platform is designed to be intuitive, starting with your search tools. You've got 2 options, AI or filters. Say you're looking for digital marketers or Shopify sellers. Just type in a quick description of your dream customer, hit enter, and bam, you've got 3,000 fresh leads right at your fingertips. Muraena's database is stacked with 30 million companies, 40 million profiles, 180 million emails, and 20 million phone numbers. It'll even tell you which companies recently secured funding, so you know who's got stacks on stacks on stacks. Now, all you got to do is grab the contact details and add them your list. Once you've got your list together, you can export it to a CSV or add it to a CRM like Pipedrive or HubSpot. Muraena's got everything you need to dominate B2B sales. But if you're really serious, upgrade to the Tier 2 plan to unlock 5,000 credits. Trust me, when you're pulling this many hot leads, you're going to need the extra juice. Alright, let me show you how to use these search filters. You can choose from predefined functional areas, job title keywords, and loads of industries, including some pretty cool like blockchain and AI. You can even search for a specific company keywords to really narrow down your search. Muraena tracks all sorts of signals and trends, so you can swoop in at the perfect time and close the deal. Searching in niche markets? No worries. Muraena index pretty much every business on the freaking planet. You can also connect to their API to create a lean, mean sales machine after upgrading to Tier 3 and up. Find the best of the best leads, make the most money, and do it all for less. Click that Buy Now button to lock in your lifetime access to Muraena.